Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the palindrome string program about to check the given string is palindrome or not. What is the meaning of palindrome? The meaning of the palindrome string is when you read that string, let's say A, B, C. So this is not the palindrome, but if I say A, B, C, B, A, so this is the palindrome string. The palindrome means when you read the string from forward or from the backward, it is same, right? So that is the concept of palindrome. We are going to discuss about the palindrome string. You can also check for the palindrome number, like 1 2 3 4 is not a palindrome number, but if I say 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, this is palindrome. When I say 1 2 2 1, this is palindrome, right? So the meaning of the palindrome is from whenever from either side you read that string or the number, it is same, right? So let's see how to do this program. So I have added three standard libraries and void main is there. So because it's a string program, okay, because it's a string program, I have taken the string.h. okay, we'll do this program step by step. So I'll explain you during the program that how to do, what to do, and also one or two new things we are going to learn in this program. So first let's take one string, so S20 and okay, CLR SCR. Now let's take the string from the user, and for that I'm just displaying the message enter string, and I'm using the getAs function for that. That's it, right? Okay, so this is the starting. Now as we know that we want to check the first and last character, then second and second last character, right? Okay, let's understand this. If I say that I have one string, this is your let's say we have this memory blocks, and in this memory block we have a string, let's say A R O R A and then null. By reading we can say that this is the palindrome string, right? But what is the logic? What is the logic? So the logic of this program is, okay, one more thing, 0 1 2 3 and 4, right? This is the index, and on the fifth we have null. So what is the logic to check the palindrome? We need to check 0th and last character, right? After that second and second last, right? This way. And up to which character? Up to the half of the string. Up to half of the string we need to check. So when we get all this right, means the string is palindrome, right? But any character, like let's say the other string we have, let's say S A M M N, I'm randomly writing S in that case. So yes, first and last character same, but second and second last not same, right? So in that case this is not the palindrome, but we have to check each and every letter till what? Till we don't get the different characters, right? Different characters. And if we reach to the middle of the string and we get each and every letter similar, in that case we can say that this is the palindrome, right? So this is the concept of the palindrome, logic of the palindrome. Now let's see the program. Okay, so because we have to check the all the index value, we need length, right? So length of the string, and for that I am using strlen of s. Of course we will need to declare this variable len. Fine, so we got the length. After finding the length, we need a loop, because we have to check first and last character, right? So from 0 we will start, but till up to which character we have to go? Half of the string. Half of the string means I can say I less than len divided by 2, means length is the length, len contains the length of the string and half of the length, and I plus plus. So this is the logic. Now after this logic, what we have to check? See, very first, if first and last both characters are not same, immediately I have to come out from the loop, out of the program, after printing that string is not palindrome. It means here I need to check if s of I, means right now I is equal to 0, if the first character is not equal to what? The last character, and the last character means length minus 1, right? That is the last character. But suppose first and last both are same, and so again I need to check second and second last, right? In that case I need second last, so length minus 1 minus I, till that point I have to go. If these are not same, what I need to print? I have to print string is not palindrome, right? Okay, that's it. But if it will not execute it at any time, in that case I need to check out of the loop. I have to write string is palindrome, right? And of course I need get ch. This program has errors and logical errors as well. So see, what happens? Of course we have to declare I and all. Okay, first see what happens when you print this. After printing this, it will print this as well. Let's run the program and check, then we will solve the logical errors. Before that, let's declare I, and yeah, that's it, right? Okay, so let's start. Let's compile it. 2 error statement missing. Okay, and unexpected. Okay, let's save it and compile it. Now see, watch carefully. I'm running the program. Okay, enter the string. Let's say A.B.C, which is not palindrome, means first and last character are not same. In that case, it has to come out from the loop after printing string is not palindrome. But see, string is not palindrome, it is printing, but also it is printing string is palindrome. It means what? That it is printing the last statement out of the loop. But if the string is not palindrome, in that case it has to jump after printing this line. It has to jump directly here, right, out of the main. And to come out from the main function, we have a function exit 0. Exit 0 is a function to come out from the main function, right? So here we have the exit 0, but still there is a problem. Let's see. Let's run the program. Exit 0 is there, so I'm printing ABC. So actually what should happen? String is not palindrome, right? It has to print and then it will come out from the loop. But see, it is not displaying the message. The message is there. The message is there. String is not palindrome, message is there, but it is not displaying. And for that we know the get ch needed, right? We need get ch. So let's save the program. Let's run it. Now let's see ABC. Okay, what happened? Get ch exit 0. Okay, right? We need to write get ch not here but before exit 0, right? So now it is fine that it will print this line, then it will hold the screen and then it will come out from the main function. So ABC, string is not palindrome, right? Perfect. Now let's enter the palindrome string like A, B, C, B, A. String is palindrome, right? So this is the concept of palindrome. So here is the logic, and you can do the dry run to understand this program even better, right? So you will get an idea that how actually it works logically, like what the value of each and every variable at different stages. So this is about the palindrome. Also you can try by your own with the number. This is about the string, but you can also try for the number. So this is about the palindrome.